Hi, this is 2016 Amc 10B problems number 24. Okay, we have a question. We have a 4-digit integer ABCD. So when you take right all three numbers from this, so AB and BC and CD form an arithmetic sequence increasing. Okay, it should be increasing. Okay, so we're gonna find with some constraint over here. Okay. That is increasing 3 digits. So AB greater than BC and the CD. The from here we can find something. Okay, if we write you can find something. Okay, so A digit B is greater than or equals to A, digit C is greater than equals to B, isn't it? Right, that's true, right? For example, if we choose ABC, okay, ABC over here, if we choose this is 3, okay, we choose what B is what not 3, less than 3, okay? If you got maybe this number is 6, something like that. When you choose this number is 32, second number is 26, that is not increasing arithmetic sequence. Alright, that is not true. Okay? So always this is C, right? I'm sorry. This is C. Always, okay, second digit is greater than or equals third digit, greater than or equals second digit, okay? That's true. Second one is we're gonna find something relation between A and B and C, D, okay? So using what? Arithmetic sequence. So this number AB is actually written at 10A plus B, right? That's the first number. The second number is 10B plus C. That is the second number. Third number is what? 10C plus D, right? To form arithmetic, we know that sum of these two numbers should be equals twice of a second number, right? So I'm gonna write down 10A plus B and the B plus D. I'm sorry, I did it wrong. 10A plus B and the 10C plus D, right? Confused. 10C plus D. That must be equals twice of this middle term, right? So 20B and plus 2C. Okay. This is one equation has 4 variables. It's very hard to find. Okay. So A, B, C, D at this moment, right? So it's impossible. Okay. Not impossible, but it takes too much time. So the idea is we need some narrow searching area. Okay. It's kind of what mathematics skills. Okay. You can choose this way: 10A plus 10C and minus 20B equals 2C. Move this one to the other side, okay? Minus B and minus D here, right? Okay, now factor with this one. Every has what? The common base is 10, right? Common factor is 10. 10 is out, A plus C, and minus, this is 2B, that is equals 2C minus B minus D. Is okay? Alright, I need to move up. Now we know that this number is what is that? Multiple of 10, right? We can see that. So this number can be negative 10 or 0 or positive 10. That's enough, right? It cannot be negative 20 or positive 20. It's impossible, right? Maybe you can choose, but C is what, take only integer. C is what, greater than 1 to 9, okay? BD is the same thing, okay? So 2C is actually, you can see 2C is what? 2 to 18, isn't it? Okay, B plus D, I'm going to find the B plus D same thing, okay? The maximum number is 18, minimum number is 2. When you take a minus over here, you can see this one minus this one, right? This one minus this one should be less than or greater than which number? Left hand side the minimum number, right? So 2 minus 2, 0? No, 2 minus 18, that is negative. 16 is the minimum number, okay? The maximum number over here, largest number minus smallest number, 18 minus 2 is 16. So this number actually between, okay, roughly, right, negative 16 and negative 16 is positive 16. That's why you got 3 numbers only. Alright? Okay, so case work. If this is negative 10, inside the number can be have a negative 1. If this is 0, this should be 0. If this is 10, this inside the number parentheses should be 1, right? We have a 3 case work actually. Okay, so now take a look. I'm going to take a right 0 first, case work. 0, okay? So case work 1, a plus c minus 2b equals 0, and 2c minus b minus d equals 0. That is the first case. Probably going to find something. Okay, so now let's simplify. What is this one? 2b equals what is that? A plus b, right? 2b equals a plus b, or you can divide it by 2. B equals to a plus b over 2, and 2c equals what is the b plus d, and you divide it by 2. That is what? C, right? What is this? This is arithmetic, isn't it? Okay, so A, B, C, right? Yeah. So A, B, C forms arithmetic, and the B, C, D forms arithmetic. Okay, satisfy both. So you always the difference is what? Same difference. So when you have A, B, C, the first one smallest one is what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That increased by 1. That's fine. The next one is what is that? 1, 3, 5, 7 is okay. Right? The next number is 1, 4. Okay, the next number 1, 4, 3, 7. The next number 10, right? Their difference is 10. That is not working. Okay, okay, forget about this one. Now the next one number is smallest now 2. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, they are all increased by 1, increased by 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, increased by 3. The last number is what? Not working. Okay, now the next 3, 3, 4, 5, 6 is working. 3, 5, 7, 9 is working. Keep continue over here. Okay, and the next one is what? 4, 6, 8, 10 not working. Okay, oh, 3, 6 not working. Okay, so the next number is 4, 5, 6, 7 is working. Okay, what about that? 4, 6, 8, 10 not working. Okay, the next number is 5, 6, 7, 8 is working. So 5, 7, 9, the next number is more than 10 not working. Okay, the next number is 6, 7, 8, 9 is okay, up to 9. Okay, so the next number is what? 7, no, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last digit cannot be 10, right? So we have how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers available. Okay, in this case, 1 has 9 numbers satisfied by these two. Is it okay? Okay, the next one, case 2. I'm going to write down, okay, case 2. Case 2 is now a plus b minus 2b equals negative 1. In this case, 2c minus b minus d also a negative 10, right? 10 times negative what is negative 10. Is it okay? But in this case too, we might have some idea, or during the work you can find was this case 2 is not working, definitely. Or maybe you can take it over here. D, what is D? D equals, I'm going to move to the right D. 2c plus d minus b to the left. When you take it over here, c is greater than b, right? This is a positive. This is a positive number. Okay, can you see it over here? C is greater than or equal, it doesn't matter. Okay? If they are equal, it's still what? Positive, right? Because we have 2c over here. C plus some number, that is more than 10. This cannot be what? 2-digit number. Okay? So maximum number is 9. So that is not working. So that actually, when you use this one, there is no value of D. No value of D. So this is what? Impossible. What if the next one? Case 3. A plus b and minus b equals 1, and 2c minus b minus d is now positive 10. That's possible, right? We know that. Okay. Now let's find over here. How can you find a lot of work? Okay. Okay. Now how can you find 2b? 2b equals actually how much? A plus c minus 1, right? That is what, when you divide it by 2, that is b, isn't it? Over here, d is how much? D equals, okay, d equals 2c, right? And minus b and minus 10, right? Can you see that over here? Can you check it over here? A little more detail, easier way, d equals what? 2c minus b plus 10, right? When you have a number b or c, you can find the d over here, okay? So now let's find all possible value of b, okay? This is A, B, C, D. If b is 1, it's not working, we know that, because what? It can't be 1 over here, okay? Or maybe you can check it out. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all possible. If b is 1, a plus c is what? 3, isn't it? 3 possible, so what? A plus b is 3, should be what? 1, 2 only, right? 1, 2. That's okay. But in this case, how can you find d? D is what? Twice of c is 4. B plus 10 is what? 11, right? This is 11. 4 minus 11, not positive, right? There's no d. Impossible. When you choose b over here, b is 2, that is a plus c is what? 5, isn't it? Maybe you can choose 1 plus 4. In this case, twice this number is 8, but when you add this one, 12. 8 minus 12 cannot be positive digit. It's not working. Okay, what about 3? If b is 3 over here, that is 6, so a plus 6, a plus c is what? 7, right? How can you find 7? 1, 6 is 7. It's okay, but still, what is that? Twice of this number, 12, add 10 over here, 13. That is not positive, not working. Okay, that's what we start to write 4 over here, okay? Now let's find out 4. When b is 4, a plus c is what? 9, isn't it? How can you find the 9? 1, 8, that is 9. Second number, 1, 2, right? 2, 4, to make 9, that is 7, right? The next one, 3, 4, 6, also 9. That's all. Another one, oh, okay, 4, 4, 5, also what? 9, okay? That's fine. Alright, the next one is b is 5. A plus c should be 11, right? So how can you find 11? The smallest number is here. 2, 9, that is 11. 3, 5, 8 is 11. Okay. 4, 5, 7 is 11. 5, 5, and 6 is 11. Okay, that's all. Alright, when you got the b is 6, a plus c is what? 13, right? How can you find the 13? 4, 9 is 13. The next one. 5, 8 is 13, still same is 6. 6, 6, 7 is 13, no more, right? That's okay. So when b is 7, a plus b should be what? 15, right? How can you find 15? 6, 9 is the smallest number. 6 plus 9 is 15. The next number is what? 7, 7, 8 is 15. That's all. Okay. Now when you have 8, a plus c is what? 17, isn't it? How can you find smallest number 17? 8, 9 is 17, right? That's okay. That's all. Okay. The next number. When you have a 9, it should be 19. Wow, sum of 2 digits cannot be 9. The maximum number is 18, isn't it? That is not working. So we have all possible number over here. So we can check it out. D actually exists or not. Okay, using this one, right? You have to quickly go, okay? 2c, right? That's okay. 16 minus 14, or 2, that's fine. 2c, 14 minus, add 1 over 10, okay? 14. 14 minus 14, 0, fine. 12 minus 14, negative, not good. 10 minus 14, not good. 10 minus 14, negative, right? The next one, 18 minus 15, that is 3. 16 minus 10 is what? 6, okay? 16 minus 15, right? Okay. 16 minus 15 is 1, okay? The next one, 14 minus 15, not working. 12 minus 15, not working, okay? Now the next one, 18 minus 16 is 2. 16 minus 16, right? Plus 10 is 16, that is 0. 14 minus 16, not working. 18 minus 17 is what? This is 18, 17, 1, okay? 16 minus 17 is what? Not working. 18 minus plus 10 is 18, that is working. Okay, that's all right. Okay, now let's find how many numbers there. One number, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. Okay, so case 3 is 8 numbers, case 1 is 9 numbers, case 2 is nothing, impossible, so total number is what, 17. Okay, yeah, that's the answer. Okay, all right, thank you so much. I'll see you next time.